Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up the Voicetrack feature in the Abra or InSoft Radio. First of all, as soon as the software is installed, you will have two folders on the library: the BT placeholders and the BT recordings. BT recordings will store all the records you do on the Voicetrack section. BT placeholder, it's the folder for the shows that have voice tracks inside. So you could have multiple folders, once per show, and inside those folders you normally will add the name of the person who's gonna talk, who's gonna do the record for you, your host. So in this example we're doing like show voice track BT. This is a name you can of course rename to put the name of your host. If you want to add a second person to the show, you just right click it, add voice track, and you can add just the name for that second person. If you want to add a second show, you just need to click in the folder with a plus. We'll start with the BT to have everything organized, and then just show to separate it. And then on type, we just put it as BT placeholder. Now that we have the folder created, we just need to right click to add a voice track person. And let's say this is gonna be John. Now that we're done with the folders, the next step is to add them into our clocks or rules in Auto DJ. So to do that, we go to Station Tools, Auto DJ, and then on the rules section, we just select the rules we want to modify. In this example, I'll modify evening music and rest of the day. So first, evening music. As you can see, I added the BT placeholder in between my two songs. And on the rest of the day, I'm gonna add my BT show 2 in between my two songs. Now that the clocks are created, the next step is to generate the playlist for tomorrow, because tomorrow it's the date, or the future days are the one that we can use and modify and add our voice tracks. And in order to do that, we just need to go to task, select the calendar, my future day, in this case tomorrow, and run. So while this is rebuilding inside the software, let's go now into the voice track section. Use this microphone icon, we enter, and in here we're gonna have this interface. On the left side, we will see our 24/7 playlist. In the center, we will have our editing section. In the right side, we will have our view meter with the microphone that it's selected. In the bottom side, we will have our controls: record, play, pause, stop, and delete. And last but not least, our gear icon. This is where we want to see, because we're finishing the setup. So as soon as I click there, we will have our audio outputs and audio input devices. So if you want to modify them, if you want to change them, this is where you will do it. So as soon as you click change, you're ready to start using the voice track feature of the Abra and InSoft Radio.